What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, so in a previous video I did promise that we were going to paint the driver's side door. This door had a couple of defects. It had some sanding scratches, and it also had a couple of fisheyes that I wasn't able to fix. Also, well, I ended up dropping the door, and it ended up messing up this area right here. Still need to continue and still do a little bit more work, because as you guys can see, we have a little bit of bare metal showing on the edges, because the bottom of the door, after I refinished this door, the paint wasn't fully dry, and when I went to go put it on this, it left basically a very strange, almost like texture on the bottom of the door, and it basically messed up the paint on the door itself. So what I ended up having to do is just sand it back down, but unfortunately, obviously, we went to bare metal in some areas. And also scuffed this area here because I did make a mistake and taped this area accidentally, and then when I sprayed it, obviously it's still down to primer. So we're gonna go ahead and scuff that up and shoot that red as well. Shoot this red. And then go ahead and clear the door as well. So that's what we have in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. without having to respray it. Now, of course, it's not perfect. I wouldn't say, you know what? I would call it a 2-footer. So from 2 feet, this thing looks like a show car. But of course, when you get really, really close, you could definitely tell that there are some specks of something in the paint, right? There are tiny little fisheyes as well. Now, we could go ahead and take care of those. We could dab those with clear, just like we did in a previous scene where I did dab a little bit of clear in those fisheyes. But honestly, this is what a garage paint job can look like. And those are realistic expectations because, well, we would have had to reshoot this. That would have cost more material, more time. And maybe what if we ran out of clear, then we would actually have to order more clear and then respray this. And that's a whole lot of more money and time. And so sometimes if you are in a pinch, sometimes you could get still some very, very good results from a garage paint job if you just do some paint correction. And well, hopefully you guys at home can get some sort of result like this, get a maybe even a better result. Of course, I'm not the best polisher or detailer. I'm far from it, but I think the results really speak for themselves. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Anyway, guys, stay spraying, stay wrenching. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya.